Okay, so let's do your dream project, actor, director.
Okay, dream project would be I want to do a female-oriented movie like Gangubai, Highway. That's gonna be a dream project for me.
Yeah.
And if it could add a little flavors of fiction, magic, like I am a big fan of sci-fi. That would be a dream project for me where I could do action, where I could like a female-oriented project with all the flavors in it. That's my dream project. जब मैं उडारियाँ करी थी तब भी मुझे बोलते ब्लैक विडो बाद में बनना, आओ पहले
हाँ.
नेमत बनो. So yeah, आएगा एक दिन जब मैं ब्लैक विडो टाइप्स कुछ तो करूँगी. I've learned martial arts and all. And then if we talk about my dream director, right now, like I have lots of dream directors. But right now,
Top three.
on top, it would be Imtiaz Ali.
Why?
The way he shows love, the way he makes it divine, ऐसा लगता है it's not, it's the soul, that kind. I want to work with him. Like I want to work with him.
And dream actor or actress, your co-stars basically.
See, we all want to work with the Khan, Shah
Ooh,
Rukh Khan.
Okay. You're not the first to say it today.
But I know, of course, that's unsaid. But if you ask me, like whom I want to work first, so it'll be Shahid Kapoor, Shahid Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan.
Why?
I don't know. Like I relate to Shahid Kapoor a lot in the terms that he has come from a background dancer की तरह. Like
Okay.
I've seen him in music albums, पीछे background dancing करते करते, and he has been the boy next door. He has been the cutie pie but the hottie pie.
Yeah.
And I love the hold that he has on his craft. You watch Farzi, he's an anti-hero, he's not hero.
Yes.
But the kind of craft, the hold that he has, Heather, I want to share screen, like I want to work with such good actor. So he's very versatile. Being a boy next door, he's always versatile in his role. When I watched Farzi, I was like season 2 में मुझे cast कर लो यार, please.
हो रहा है?
मुझे सीजन 2 आ तो रहा है बट उसकी कास्टिंग आई रियली ट्राइड फिगरिंग इट आउट बट
Yeah.
मुझे नहीं पता चली
नहीं पता चला. But do you want to do like a romantic film with him, or do you want to do any?
आई जस्ट गेट टू वर्क विद हिम दैट्स इट.
Hmm.
यू गिव मी अ रोमांटिक फिल्म और यू गिव मी अ एक्शन फिल्म, इट्स फाइन. इट हैज टू बी शाहिद कपूर.
Yeah.
दैट्स इट. आई एम सॉरी मीरा कपूर बट आई वांट टू वर्क विद हिम.
Of course, there's nothing wrong with that.
नो नॉट अ.
Yeah. But are you a romantic in general?
आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग दैट आउट.
How's the dating life been?
व्हाट इज दैट?
Oh, you've not had one?
What are you no, I did it was not. I am not here to discuss my traumas, bro, but
लड़का लड़की जब
मिलते
all
हैं.
of that, yes.
So I've been more of a tomboyish kind of girl since my
Okay.
childhood. So I've had one brief period of time where I was in a relationship, and that taught me why not to be in a relationship.
Anything people can take from you? कि ये
Yeah,
relationship
please
में
make
नहीं करना है.
sure whenever you are about to date somebody, check if they are a narcissistic personality or not, because that's the dangerous one.
So-
And
You're more of a giver.
I don't know, honestly, I don't know what kind of a person would I be in a relationship. This is a very tricky topic that I really have to explore in my life, because I have had one relationship,
Yes.
but the phase, the timing, जब मैं उस relationship में थी, I was very vulnerable. It was right. I had my only relationship that happened after mom passed away. So I was very vulnerable. Whoever came into my life, I felt like भगवान का फरिश्ता है यही.
Yes.
He was not. He was giving me another mental trauma जो मुझे
Yeah.
आंखें खुलने के बाद समझ आया कि ये क्या हुआ है मेरे साथ. अच्छा ये भी हुआ है मेरे साथ. So yeah, so I don't know. That whole period is something जिसका memory मेरे दिमाग में थोड़ा faded है.
He was from the industry. Like,
Let's
is it
not talk
public?
about it.
Okay. Cool.
Mm.
So we also heard you're part of a community, the Bachata community it's called.
Yeah,
What is that?
it's
like?
not exactly community. It's
Okay,
actually
tell me, like, about it.
I love talking about it.
Okay, let's do it.
It's a Latin dance form.
Okay.
And I just love doing it. So it's a dance form. You must have heard of salsa,
Of course.
right? So salsa के rules होते हैं. There are rules. The guy lead and the girl follows.
Yeah.
Similarly, there's another dance form called bachata. Again, there are rules. The guy lead, the girl follows. दोनों के rules अलग हैं. So this is more like a language. It's a language. If you know the language, you can dance with anybody around the world. I can dance with anybody who knows bachata, and that guy can dance with me. People who look at it, a lot of people don't have the knowledge of it. तो उन्हें ऐसा लगता है कि ये क्या कर रहे हैं? But it is so fun. और उसमें it's more like a sport. और फिर उसमें competitions होते हैं. Like I recently took part in a competition, and that was my first competition.
Yeah.
And I got second runner up.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Is that the dance?
No. But it's more like I got a partner from Chennai, and the kind of
Was it
conversation.
a random partner?
Random. So I'm
Oh.
standing here, like you are my partner. The only time that I will get to conversate is, hi, how are you? Let's do it. That's it. And then the music begins, and you have to catch all the musicalities and everything. So it's a dance. I don't know how to explain it to you, but it's like a lead and follow. The guy leads, and the girl take the leads right there. वहीं पे. It's all from the touch, from the moves, from the body, from your energy. That's how it
Okay.
happens.
So it's like desi Indianized version, or this Indianized version of like salsa and stuff like that.
No.
So what kind of dance?
It is
I
not
think I'm
Indianized.
not
It is actually more
understanding
westernized version of
It's
salsa.
like couple dancing, like arm in arm type. So you do this. So does bachata? Is it very popular? Do you get like a lot of hate for it? Is it a controversial dance form?
It's not that popular yet.
Okay.
It is a Latin dance form. Why I said it's a community, because there's a separate community जो यहाँ पे भी है, which is in Dubai, which is in London, which is in New York. It's everywhere. But India में majorly अभी मुंबई में सबसे ज़्यादा है, then Bangalore, Delhi, Chandigarh.
Okay.
So it's not that famous, and it is a close hold dance. Like it's a couple dance, तो वो close hold भी होता है, normal भी होता है, and it is a lead follow. The guy has to lead, the girl has to catch the lead right there. फिर इसके competitions भी होते हैं. I also took part in it, और बहुत मतलब I enjoyed it to my core.
Yeah.
मजा आया. I got a random partner from Chennai to dance with, and जिनको इसकी knowledge है, they enjoy it, they see it, and they understand how deep this dance form is.
Yeah.
But who don't have the knowledge, उनको लगता है कि ये हैं characterless लोग जो बस नाचने के बहाने चिपके हुए हैं. This is
ऐसा कुछ बोला किसी ने?
I got a random message. एक तो मैं सारी बचाता पोस्ट नहीं पब्लिक करती हूँ, but I once ऐसे ही posted on my Snapchat.
Yeah.
And मुझे नहीं पता था कि उस पे कौन है. मैंने तो उसमें भी close friends में post किया था, and I got a random person messaging me कि oh my god, you're so characterless, you're dancing right next to different guys. So I said, excuse me bro, this is an art form.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, can I ask you something? मुझे भी चुल थी जानने की कि क्या ही बोलेगा. Said, you dance with different guys, what's your body count? I was like, do you understand what is the meaning of body count? What are you thinking? What am I doing? So next thing I did is, please, I hope कि तुम अपनी mentality बढ़ाओ, और whoever the girl is coming into your life, God bless her, and I blocked him.
Yeah.
कि इससे ज़्यादा ड्रामा मैं नहीं ले सकती, पर ब्लॉक करके जो सुकून मिलता है ना, मज़ा आता है. So yeah, there are people with such mentality.
So we touched on social media there. So social media पे you get hate regularly होता है as like an actor, as like a woman, anything at all?
There's a mixture of everything. But as I said, I've worked with great people.
Yeah.
So if I say कि percentage wise, I am so grateful that I've got lots of love.
On social media.
Yeah. So I'm grateful, and I hope ये maintain रहे भाई. But yeah, you get a lot of weird comments. वो कैसे होते हैं कि जैसे some people are my fan, some people are your fan. And अगर उन्हें लगता है कि हम दोनों के बीच में there's a riff,
Yeah.
तो वो आके जो रोस्ट करना चालू करते हैं कहीं से भी किसी भी चीज़ पे, वो अलग. मतलब there are few friends of mine, मतलब कुछ दोस्त तो ऐसे हैं जिनके साथ फोटो डालने से भी डर लगता है भाई कि नो, तेरे फैन पेजेस कुछ भी बोल देंगे उठ के, which is not true. So yeah, there comes a lot of hatred, but there comes a lot of love as well. So what I focus on is love. I said hatred, block.
But this is what happens, no? Like 1000 love comments आएंगे आपको, एक hate comment आएगा, and that will ruin your day.
वो आएगा. Initially in the beginning of उडारियाँ,
Yeah.
उडारियाँ ने बहुत प्यार दिया है. But जब first 1 month 1 week था, एक तो मुझे पता भी नहीं था क्या करना. आई वॉज मेकिंग मिस्टेक्स. आई डिड नॉट नो कि अच्छा मेरे पे कौन सा हेयर मेकअप अच्छा लगता है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है. इनिशियल 1 week पीपल वर नॉट एक्सेप्टिंग इट. तो 1 week में जो कमेंट आते थे ना, आई यूज्ड टू रीड एंड फिर देन ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई थॉट कि अपनी मेहनत करो, हो जाएगा. एंड देन वही हुआ, धीरे धीरे पीपल स्टार्टेड लविंग इट सो मच. इवन टुडे पीपल रिकग्नाइज मी नेहमत के नाम से ज़्यादा. तो या एंड इट डज. ऐसे गंदे गंदे कमेंट आते हैं कभी कभी, ऐसे अजीब अजीब से मैसेजेस पे आते हैं, बट देन द बेस्ट वे टू डील विद इट इज डोंट लुक एट इट.
But how do you develop a thick skin for it? कैसे ना पढ़ो, सोशल मीडिया पे हो, कमेंट्स आ रहे हैं तो था पढ़ोगे.
मैंने बोला ना, कमेंट सेक्शन में बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड आई हैव हैड लॉट्स ऑफ लव.
चलो, hopefully it stays that
It
way.
will stay, I know.
But do you think as an actor, actors should have a big social media following? Should they play a role of a creator or a influencer also?
क्या टॉपिक छेड़ा भाई. I don't know. This is biggest dilemma of my life. मेरी लाइफ का ना
बताओ.
सबसे बड़ा डिलेमा इस टाइम पे यही है कि सोशल मीडिया पे कितना एक्टिव होना है.
कितने
Like
active
people-
हो भी आप?
Not much, but
Okay.
I'm not even dead.
Okay.
But I'm not that much active. People get like, मुझे बहुत मैसेजेस आते हैं, you know, upload your vlog, and I want to. मैं चाहती हूँ मैं अपनी लाइफ शेयर करूँ. मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है जब कोई आके बोलता है, you know, I recognize you. Can I have a picture with you? मुझे बहुत ग्रेटफुल फीलिंग आती है, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बट
Yes.
अब ना एक जोन ऐसा आ गया है जो मुझे नहीं पता. आई एम स्टिल फिगरिंग इट आउट कि एज एन एक्टर मुझे सोशल मीडिया पे कितना एक्टिव होना है. बिकॉज अगर मैं बहुत एक्टिव हो गई, ऑल ऑफ अ सडन आई एम टू एक्सपोज्ड, एंड प्रोजेक्ट्स जो YRF बनाता है, धर्मा बनाता है, मैडहॉक बना रहा है, इफ यू टॉक अबाउट सैयारा, लापता लेडीज, ऑल दीज गर्ल्स, they came all of a sudden, a raw talent came. Why? Because they were not too exposed. So उन्होंने क्या बोला, एक नया फेस लॉन्च करेंगे.
Yeah.
I want to be like that. I want to do Bollywood. I want to reach Hollywood. So वो दिमाग में रह के मुझे लगता है कि I have to be there, पर मुझे ज़्यादा पोस्टिंग नहीं करनी, मुझे ओवर एक्सपोज नहीं होना है. I don't want कि कोई बोले कि इसका फेस ना बहुत एक्सपोज हो चुका है. I want to keep myself raw. But on the other hand, when you're working, there are a lot of projects जहाँ पे वो बोलते हैं, you know what, we loved your audition, you're right at your part, but I'm sorry, you don't have 1 million followers. We want somebody जिसके ना 1-2 million followers हो.
No way. Are influencers taking the jobs of actors?
I will not say influencers.
Creators? Content
No,
creators?
I'm not saying creators,
Yeah,
influencers. I'm saying the norm of industry which has changed because of Instagram following.
हाँ.
वो एक लोचा है. अब एक्टर के भी 2 मिलियन 4 मिलियन हो सकते हैं, इन्फ्लुएंसर के भी 2 मिलियन 4 मिलियन हो सकते हैं. आई डोंट हैव एनी हेटरेड टुवर्ड्स देम. व्हाट आई फील इज कि ये जो बैरिकेड आ गया है ना कि यू नो आई नीड 1 million followers for this,
Yeah.
I need 2 million followers for this. I literally have a message like, look, test सब कुछ हो गया, and then they told me actually the producers are looking for somebody who has 1 million followers. I have lost a lot of projects.
Two
Because
influencers.
It is not influencing or influencers.
Just
To
people who are
Instagram
following.
following. I will not
But
say.
following कैसे आई? By probably doing something, right?
Yeah, अब वो कहाँ से आई, कैसे? अब there was this actress, I'm very bad with names,
Yeah.
जिसने सिर्फ एक आँख मारी थी. Overnight 3 million followers.
हाँ.
She gets a
They're
lot.
the IPL girl.
No. Even the IPL girl.
Even the IPL girl.
But IPL girl is not the actor ना. एक
हाँ.
एक्ट्रेस थी, P से नाम था उनका. उन्होंने एक आँख मारी. It got viral. 3 million followers. Now she'll
Crayola
get
cute
brands
doing.
and everything.
Yeah.
ठीक है. But on the other hand, if I go. I've given a lot of auditions in Mukesh Chhabra. I've given a lot of auditions in anti-casting, wherever I can. और हर audition में response देख के तो लगता है कि this is my break. But maybe my break is taking a little time. पर वहाँ पे वो होता है देसी कि वो आपने ज़्यादा काम तो नहीं किया हुआ. So I don't know. I really don't know कि मैं कितना खुद को social media पे expose करूँ या ना करूँ.
But should I tell you something?
Please give
So,
me space.
आप example हो, like we talked about, like you said you were in music videos.
Yeah.
Someone saw that, then someone saw that, and that happened.
Yeah.
Music videos, where was it primarily? Social
YouTube.
media? YouTube. That's where the views came from. So the thing with YouTube and social media is आपको कौन देख रहा है और कितने views आ रहे हैं, that will always be more and more consistent than TVs and films. People might miss that, the right people. But the more consistent you are on social media, वो eventually कोई देखेगा.
I understand. And the social media posting and everything, it's good, it's nice, but जो मज़ा movies में या craft में है ना, वो वहाँ नहीं है.
No, but so आपका Instagram should be that. Your Instagram should be exclusive, premium. You're that person. It could be that. Like for example, now look at people like Janhvi Kapoor, Ananya Pandey. Are they not posting on Instagram every day?
No.
Are they less of a star? Yes, they are. What are you
Hey,
saying?
you
Like,
are
see their
comparing. Listen,
stories.
I am not saying
posts.
anything ऐसा, but Janhvi Kapoor is Janhvi Kapoor.
Okay.
If she posts on Instagram, nobody is gonna say कि यार she's overexposed. She is Janhvi Kapoor. I am not Janhvi Kapoor.
Yeah.
Right? मैंने खुद को I could be wrong. मैं गलत भी हो सकती हूँ. I'm figuring this out in my life. But I have lost projects too कि you know we want some new face to launch. You know you are semi-known. You're known. We want some new face to launch. Or I've also faced the place कि you know yeah we loved your audition. We really did. We will work together. But you know we're making it for a platform जहाँ पे हमें ना reach चाहिए.
Reach चाहिए.
So we are taking XYZ person who has itna following.
See, but now you are semi-known as it is. Okay, now you can't change that. You are semi-known. It is.
I will start
already.
posting more and let's see where it goes.
Like, see, like, do it with what like makes you happy. Keep that aura. I'm not saying lose that. Maintain that star aura. That's perfect. But the thing is, two advantages you'll get. One, that people who are taking rules because they have reach, you will have that as well. It's so good that yes, you're very talented. Everything is there. But आप media houses को reach भी ला के दे रहे हो. Secondly, people they'll be attached to you. They'll be rooting for you. वो आपको semi regularly देख रहे हैं चाहे पर देख रहे हैं. They'll be like you know someone from my phone. अब मैं उनको screen पे देखूंगा. It feels a lot. Like for example, Ahan Pandey. He was in Sayara, correct? He used to do Instagram so much. And when he finally came on the screen,
listen,
I know.
You're giving me all the names who are already the star kids.
Yeah.
People would go for their movie, but Aneet Pandey, you tell me.
Yeah.
Aneet Pada, sorry.
Okay.
The Sayara protagonist. Was she active on Instagram?
But now look at it.
Now once if I reach that level, I can do anything. Nobody's gonna judge me because I have reached that level.
Yeah.
Abhi, she can post anything and still she's maintaining that aura and everything is good.
Yeah, do that.
But before that, was she making random content? No. Because once Sayara जब वो launch हुआ, I went to her page.
Yeah.
I saw her page. It was all around the projects she have done, a little bit of content, but it was not regular content. That's why she got it. I think that's my theory. Because a raw face. बाकी I don't know. Because मैंने जो interview सुने, उसमें भी उन्होंने बोला that first day she came very hoity-toity and the director said no. The next day she came as her own real raw personality and then the director said yes.
Yeah.
So the rawness is coming back. So I don't know how much rawness I should keep or I should.
Fair.
But ठीक है, I will start posting more.
There's a money trade-off also.
Yeah.
Social media has so much money.
Yeah.
Yeah. Like look at you saw अभी Bads of Bollywood. You know the manager in that Anya Singh is her name I think. आप उसका Instagram खोलो. It is basically in the nicest way possible. It's my dream. It's basically a billboard or a marketplace at this point. Amazon पे जितने products हैं, it feels like every day on her page she's promoting like those many things.
Yeah.
And that is amazing. Like I again don't know numbers, but I can like say it almost. I can guarantee it. The money she's made from social media is more that she would have made from the show itself.
Could be. Is it before Bads of
I don't
Bollywood?
know what she used to do before, but after ka to we know
See,
what to do.
after I can do anything.
Yeah.
Once I am in the eyes. But I get your point. Maintain your aura and keep posting it. That's what I'm trying to do.
You never know कौन देख रहा है. That is it.
You never know कौन देख रहा है. शाहिद कपूर, are you watching?
Exactly. Like just from that perspective, just put it out. Put it as the biggest actress you can like be, biggest star you can be. Put it like that. Portray yourself like that. But maintain like little bit of posting is my advice.
Okay, I'll keep that in mind.
Social media has never done anyone bad. If you like don't do it wrong, of course.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. Okay, so now do you want to talk about like any scams that have happened with you in the industry? कुछ ऐसा कि ये promise हुआ नहीं fulfill हुआ stuff like that?
हुआ तो है ऐसा.
क्या हुआ?
So after this movie Punjabi aa gaye hue, I got another audition. I auditioned for it, look test. ये करो वो करो, what the whole process, 1.5 month का process.
Yeah.
And then they asked me to learn Telugu, Tamil. It was a South project.
Okay.
It was a South Indian movie, and I was like, yes.
You said yes?
Of course, it was a good project. It was the storyline was very nice. I was like,
Okay.
good God, good, very nice, very nice. We'll do it. We're getting there.
Yes.
तो सब हुआ उसके बाद me with my team, we met their team, discussion हुआ everything, and then now it is done. Your workshop will start from 5th of April, I think, yes. Your workshop will start from 5th of April, and it's in Kochi. So pack your bags. We're gonna be in Kochi for 1.5 months. You'll enjoy the scene. You'll this. I was very excited, but again, मुझे था contract sign हो जाए once it starts, because the industry is unpredictable. Because पहले भी मेरा एक project जो scrap हुआ था, उससे बाद जो movie हुई थी पंजाबी आ गए हुए, it took quite a long time. It took hell lot of patience. कि okay, because breaks आते हैं movies में. So it's like contract हो जाए, उसके बाद I'll chill, I'll relax, because मैं इनके word of mouth पे नहीं बैठ सकती. और उनके word of mouth के time पे ही मुझे 2-3 अच्छे shows के audition आए थे. I wanted to, and one of them, चलो, I wanted to actually audition, but I know. But I told them कि sir, listen, I really want to, but the problem is I am in talks for a good movie, and you know I want to do movies. तो अगर इन दोनों में चूज करना होगा, विद ऑल ड्यू रिस्पेक्ट मैं मूवी चूज करना चाहूँगी. एंड ही अंडरस्टूड, ही सेड गुड, गो फॉर इट. मैंने वो ऑडिशन मिस किया, मॉक शूट मिस किया, एंड देन दिस गाय इज, एम आई नॉट पिकिंग अप द कॉल, इट्स 5th, माई वर्कशॉप वाज सपोज टू स्टार्ट, नहीं हो रहा. एंड देन माई मैनेजर कॉल्ड हिम, ठीक है कल होगा, परसों होगा, ये होगा. देन वी गॉट अ रॉ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट, बट उन्होंने बोला आप आओगे, कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन करोगे तब होगा. एंड लेटर बहुत सारे डॉजिंग हो रहे थे, एंड देन दे केम अ पॉइंट वेयर ही आस्क्ड माय मैनेजर कि लिसन, आई एम स्टक हियर, कैन यू मेक अ पेमेंट ऑफ दिस XYZ अमाउंट, आई विल पे इन हर पेमेंट ओनली, आई यहाँ पे हूँ. वी फाउंड इट आउट, बट दैट गाय वाज एक्वेंटेंस टू माय मैनेजर सिंस पास्ट 4-5 years. तो उसने बोला यार 4-5 साल से मेरे कॉन्टैक्ट में है, यू वोंट डू एनीथिंग रॉन्ग, इट्स ओके, लाइक समटाइम्स यू हैव टू स्पेंड. तो उसने ऐसे 2-3 बार पेमेंट किया ना. हाँ, तो नाउ इट इज अ डिसेंट पेमेंट. नाउ ही इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग, एंड ही आस्क्ड माय मैनेजर कि यू नो व्हाट, यू कम टू कोची, यू टेक हर कॉन्ट्रैक्ट एंड विल सिट सामने. He went there. He's not there. The guy is not there. The hotel, he said it's booked. It was booked, but it was not paid. And that guy is MIA. He's not picking up the calls. So वो वहाँ गया, वो वहाँ 2 दिन रुका, and then he reached out to the people, and there was nothing like that. There was there was nothing like that. As in कोई टीम नहीं थी, वही 4-5 लोग थे जो थे, मतलब actual में there was no script, no team, nothing. There was nothing. He was shocked. It did not exist. It was all a scam. कुछ नहीं था. And he was shocked. अब उसको ये था कि वो मुझे कैसे बताए, क्योंकि मैंने तो 2 projects छोड़े हैं उस मूवी के एक्साइटमेंट में. No, I'm doing a movie. And he came back. He did not call me, and then he called me the next time. He said, I want to meet and talk, and he was scared, and I knew it, like something has happened. And then he told me कि this is the whole scenario. मैं वहाँ जाके आया हूँ, इस एड्रेस पे कुछ नहीं था. The guy told me कि he's in Kochi. He was not in Kochi. He was in Bangalore. And then उसने पुलिस वालों से कंफर्म किया लोकेशन, तब हमें पता चला it was all a scam, and उस बेचारे के पैसे गए.
That is so sad. अब कैसे प्रोटेक्ट करो अपने आप को, ये तो किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है. What is the way to go?
I don't know. The way is to get the paperwork done in time. नहीं हो रहा तो move on to your next project. किसी के word of mouth में मत बैठे रहो, क्योंकि you never know who's true, who's not.
Got it. So if let's say कोई 20 years का person is watching and they also want to be in the industry, be it like dance, acting, whatever, what is some like advice, some learnings you've had, some struggle you had that you think they can learn from, so they don't have to do it, or they have that in their head क्योंकि ये advice है that could work for me?
Work on your craft. सबसे पहली एडवाइस है, सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट एडवाइस है, work on your craft. I know we all want to be famous. I want to be famous. Everybody wants to be famous. But work on your craft इतना ज़्यादा that when you enter a place or when you have a talk for a project, you are bringing something to the table. This is my target. मैं जब भी किसी project के लिए जाती हूँ, मैं बाकी चीज़ें जो contract है, payment है, ये सब मेरा डिपार्टमेंट नहीं, मेरा डिपार्टमेंट ये है कि मैं उस क्राफ्ट में कितना खुद को बिठा सकती हूँ सो दैट द डायरेक्टर सेज कि यही चाहिए. शी इज वर्किंग ऑन द क्राफ्ट. सबसे पहला इज वर्किंग ऑन द क्राफ्ट. सेकेंड गाइज, गिव एज मेनी ऑडिशंस एज यू कैन. टिल डेट मैं बहुत ऑडिशंस देती हूँ. इवन वाइल आई एम वर्किंग फॉर अ शो, मैं साथ साथ में ऑडिशन दे रही हूँ.
But how do you find those auditions, for example?
There are a lot
जिसको
of
नहीं
portals.
पता.
There are a lot
Okay.
of portals.
कोई
Mukesh-
famous ones?
Mukesh Chhabda casting company.
Okay.
Then anti casting, casting bay. There are a lot of portals. There are a lot of groups. Instagram, as you said. अब YRF ने इतना बड़ा ऑडिशन अभी रिसेंटली लिया. आई ऑडिशन फॉर दैट.
Okay.
तो यू नेवर नो. जस्ट कीप ऑडिशनिंग, कीप वर्किंग ऑन योर क्राफ्ट एंड ऑलवेज डू समथिंग साइड बाय साइड. These are the
Don't like make it your full-time thing.
no make it your full time thing, but figure out things on the other side. मतलब add as many skills as you can,
Okay.
and if you're not doing anything side by side, it will eat you. Like it will eat you
That
when you're
lonely-
sitting on your couch and you're not shooting.
Hmm.
So you need to have something side by side. क्योंकि वो जो pressure है ना, extreme, like extreme. I've had, when I got to know the show got scrapped,
Yeah.
2 days मैं अपने बेड से नहीं उठी थी.
Hmm.
Because media में everybody is like, where is Twinkle, where is Twinkle, where is Twinkle, where is Twinkle? Twinkle is working hard. The show is not coming. Now what? How will I show my face? 2 days I was straight on my bed. I was like, what to do? Like it is so heavy. But अगर मेरे पास उस टाइम पे side by side कुछ होता, I would have been busy in my work. कि ठीक है, ये नहीं हुआ, next हो जाएगा. So, and meditate.
Yes, I agree. I actually meditate a lot and it works.
I
wonders.
meditate every day.
Really?
It has changed my life.
You are spiritual as well. Before you touch on that, I can promise you we will release this. हम करेंगे, so don't worry about it. It
क्या
will-
करेंगे?
It will not be scrapped. ये जाएगा. It will be all good.
Oh my God, you took all my tensions away, yaar.
This is done. Don't be anxious. ये
Yeah.
होएगा.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cool. So we'll quickly move on to the next segments. Okay. So firstly, for people watching, what we are doing is they can go to Lamont's website, lamont.co.in. आप अपनी story वहाँ पर डालो and we will pick someone and वो भी आके they can be on the show and they can share their own story.
That's actually very
Yes.
nice.
So you want to motivate anyone to tell their story? Go for it.
Yes, please, guys. As he said, it's an era of sharing. I have learned that right now. So please do. If you have been hustling in your life, it always makes you feel very good when you are appreciated for it. And if you get that appreciation on a bigger platform, इससे better क्या हो सकता है? Do it. Please do. And I know there are a lot of people doing a lot of hard work every day.
Yes.
So do it.
Perfect. Okay, guys, the game is simple. We got the actor here, so she's gonna act and I'm gonna guess. Let's do it.
Not act, but
Hint.
किसी ने नहीं देखा. My favorite hero.
Shahid Kapoor, Hrithik Roshan. Shahid Kapoor. It's his movie or is it Shahid Kapoor? His movie. Kabir Singh. Yes.
Oh,
Hrithik Roshan. It's the time to. Oh, it's the time to disco. Shah Rukh Khan. Preeti Zinta. मैं हूं ना. No, कल हो ना वो. कल हो ना. Yes. Perfect.
oh, this is my favorite. Like
What is it? Movie, food, actor.
movie.
Okay.
हाँ बोलो ना, तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो? मैं सुन रही हूँ. Okay, no. इसके तो डायलॉग्स रटे हुए हैं मुझे. Can I say the song name?
Yeah,
तो
yeah.
पता चल जाएगा. No, then it'll be too easy. It's more.
Sayara. Rockstar. Had to be one of them.
Oh, this is difficult.
Movie है.
Yeah, this is gonna be a Damsharaz type. Okay.
Okay. 4 words. Second word. Mala. Shadi. You are the बीवी. Bride. हिंदी बीवी.
शादी में बीवी होती है. शादी
नहीं.
करते हुए क्यों कौन होती है वो?
जिसके साथ हो रही होती है ना शादी.
जिसकी शादी हो रही होती है वो लड़की
दुल्हन.
कौन?
Second word is दुल्हन. Yeah.
First word.
Yeah. दिल. Dil Dulan. नहीं, second word is Dulan.
No, हाँ, second word is
हाँ.
Dulan.
First is Dil. First half is Dil.
हाँ.
दिल वाले दुल्हनिया ले
Thank you.
जाएंगे. Yes.
Okay. Very intelligent movie.
3 Idiots.
No. But
Amir Khan is there.
yeah.
Okay. PK. He's short in it. No?
You know, I don't know how to read. The words flow for me. But I'm a good painter.
Oh, he can't tell ball की speed कहाँ से आ रही है. तारे ज़मीन पर.
Thank you.
Yes. Correct.
इसको explain कैसे करूँ? इसको देखे तो बहुत time हो गया.
I think we're doing well.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's again.
शाहरुख खान. मैं हूँ ना. शाहरुख खान movie. Dawn.
Okay, this is something I don't like much.
Okay. Not getting paid on
It's a
time.
funny sound. But it's a food.
Funny sound.
It's like, I don't want to lose at the end, yaar. It's a Chinese dish.
Sushi.
More
More Chinese. Like
Chinese, Japanese.
momos.
Yeah,
Okay.
I don't like
You
them.
don't like momos?
No, I love this.
Wow.
I love this. Like Punjabi. Go
What
to
did you
Punjabi
get?
food. I'm a vegetarian. Again,
Okay.
go to Punjabi food.
Veg biryani, pulao. Whatever is there in veg. Go to
Full oily.
aloo ka paratha.
No, it's not. We have more oil in this.
More oil.
Yeah, it's like
It's,
with lassi and bhook lag gayi.
it's not one of the parathas.
No.
Give me more.
Okay, in this, कहने को it is a protein rich diet, but it's not. It has
Malai, paneer, dal. No. Skip.
it's no. How can you skip this?
Okay.
Go more na Punjabi dish. Every Punjabi
Punjabi.
loves to eat it.
I am Punjabi, but I don't know.
You're
what-
Punjabi?
Yeah.
I am angry at you for this. You don't know this.
Rajma chawal.
No, it's a junk food.
Junk food Punjabi
Like-
में तो सारा chicken ही होता है.
No.
From what I know.
First letter
कुछ
C.
तो. Kachori.
It's from K. C.
Next letter.
I'll tell you the whole name then.
Okay, tell. I think I'll have to skip.
Puri chole bhature.
Oh,
How can you miss
why did
this?
you say Delhi? We have to test how well does Twinkle smell. So we've got Lamont perfumes here, okay? We've got their entire Mystery Fragrances, the Imperial Collection. And we're gonna make you smell them, and all you have to do is tell us what it makes you feel. And where would you wear it? Anything at all? No script to it.
I love doing that.
No wrong answers. Whatever you want.
I think I will go with the black one.
Perfect.
Is it for men? Uni.
Yeah.
Not exactly boss lady kind, yeah, boss kind of, but I know myself kind of vibe.
Like confidence?
Yeah, confidence. You pick that one.
I think you're the only one so far who's not started with the red bottle.
I have history with fragrances. मैं अपनी बचपन में अपनी टीचर को बोलाई थी कि आपकी खुशबू अच्छी है इसलिए मैं सिर्फ आपसे पढ़ाई करूँगी. दूसरी टीचर को बोला आप अच्छा पढ़ाते हो लेकिन आपकी खुशबू अच्छी नहीं है. I used to stay all day with my sister,
And what
but
did the
sleep.
teacher say?
I was in nursery. She can't say anything.
Of course.
And I would be with my sister all day and sleep with my mother because she
Yeah.
used to smell like ponds.
Mm.
Yeah, for me it's more like a beach walk vibe.
Like daytime beach you wear this.
Yeah, sundowner.
Okay, let's do this one.
Everyday vibe. This is more of an everyday vibe.
So
I can wear it every day and be in my regular life.
So let's do the blue.
Just right out of taking a bath. Yeah, it gives the fresh look. Like
Yeah.
I'm on a trip and I get up, I take a bath and then this and then back to the pool, I'm all fresh.
That was it. And which one was your favorite out of the lot?
See, for me, fragrances are always on my mood. If I'm going for a meeting, I'll go for a boss lady. If I'm going for a date, I will go for this one. If
Yeah.
I'm on my everyday chores, this. And if I'm on my vacations, those two. So I'll buy
Okay.
all of them.
Okay. And on that note, we just want to thank you for being here. Thank you for being on #BeYourStory. So we
Thank you
got
for
the-
having me here.
Yes, of course, it's been a pleasure. We have the entire Imperial collection for you. So it's
Oh, I
got
just said it
all
that
of
I would.
these.
Oh,
Yep.
what a lucky day.
And here you go. You could have asked
Thank
for
you.
anything.
Thank you so
Would
much.
have, yes. How was your experience? Any parting words for the people watching?
It was fun, and honestly, it is my first time talking this long.
Yeah.
Like in real life, I talk a lot, but I was quite nervous in the beginning.
I
But
know.
I'm happy, and I think it was quite a productive one. And acha, as I said, share your story because it kind of makes you feel appreciated for what you have done, and I'm taking that with me. So
Perfect.
thank you for having me here.
Yes, of course, and thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Yes.